Hi there, this is Avraham with Reconvert. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to ensure Reconvert is active and working correctly on your Shopify store. So first off, we're going to check the app status. So we need to make sure that the app is enabled. Go to Reconvert in your Shopify admin, click on Settings. Then, by application status, make sure that yours reads App is now enabled. If it's not, you'll need to make sure that it is enabled for Reconvert to work. Next, we're going to make sure that Reconvert is selected as your post-purchase app. So head to your store settings and then click Checkout. Scroll down to the post-purchase page section and make sure that Reconvert is selected as your post-purchase app. If it is not, make sure you go ahead and select that now. Finally, we're going to make sure that the app is visible on the checkout, thank you, and order status pages. Please note that checkout upsells are only available to Shopify Plus merchants. Let's go ahead and check this now. Go back into your Shopify admin, click Online Store, click Themes, and then customize your selected theme. In the top center of the page, click the down arrow by Homepage, and then select Checkout and Customer Accounts. Within each page of Checkout, if it's available to you, Thank You page, and the order status page, make sure that the Reconvert block is selected. If it is not, go down to the bottom left, click Add App Block, and you'll see the Reconvert slots available to insert in your theme. So make sure that you insert at least one slot per page that you wish Reconvert widgets to display. So we can just check here on my store, on the checkout, we have a Reconvert slot here. So that's good. Let's go to the Thank You page. Again, I can see that there is a slot here, a Reconvert slot. If I want to add other slots here to different parts of the page, I can go ahead and do that like so. So now we have 2 slots on the Thank You page. And let's just finally look at the order status page. And again, we can see that the Reconvert slot is here, and therefore we know that the app is visible on these selected pages. So that's it. By following these steps, you can ensure Reconvert is active and working perfectly on your store. If you do encounter any questions after following this guide or need any further help, our 24/7 customer care team is always here for you. You can reach them by clicking the bottom right once you're within the Reconvert app, like so. So once you select Reconvert, just go down to the bottom right corner of the page and you'll be able to speak directly with our 24/7 customer care team. Happy reconverting and have a great rest of your day.